明かりを消したまま話を続けたら
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made, it usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, or they ball when I'm thinking about you. Oh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You know, no, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? And do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made, it usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, or they ball when I'm thinking about you. Oh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You know, no, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? And do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. so far ahead.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Dress and cover, share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I am in. But things just get so crazy, living like it's hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it will lead me on to you.
Then maybe I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, I'd never want to leave.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you.
Regardez-moi.
Est-ce mon visage, ma peau si finement grainée, mon air suave, pèse mon allure.